Here's an interesting app called Bird's Identifier. So there are a lot of plant identifier apps out there, but there is a new category, birds identifiers, and they're just becoming more popular. And it's not only for like bird watchers, but also it's just like for everyone. If you just want to spend time, or you're hiking, or you're seeing some nice interesting bird or something like that, then yeah, you can just start here. There is a premium version, but here you can just allow access to your camera, and then you can just enhance some photos of the birds using AI. So it's pretty cool. So if you took a blurred photo of some photos, then of some bird, and you can identify it, you can actually get help with this app. So let's just try it out. Like I'm not outside, but you can just take here some photo. Let's see how it works actually. And then yeah, I can just frame this photo. And then I want to identify it. And then you just have, you can see sounds, you can see where it's living. You can see colors, and then you can see this kind of, and then you can see other additional variants. And yeah, so this seems the right one. And then you can correct the result. Yeah, and then you can see how it looks like. It's pretty amazing actually. Yeah, so there you have it. And then of course you can upgrade. This is just a price in Danish krona. And you can see your history. So as you can see, it works pretty good. You can see also hotspots of birds. You can use sound identification. You can, yeah, and there is a collection of 30,000 species in this app. You can see birds near you, all the collection there. Then how to watch migrations, all of these things, like all the advice if you plan to, also have fun with birds in your garden and all of that. Just like interesting app to have, so try it out.